Spontaneous mutation. Spontaneous mutations are those that occur without a known cause. They may be truly spontaneous, resulting from an inherent low level of metabolic errors, that is, mistakes during DNA replication, or they may actually be caused by mutagenic agents present in the environment. Mutations arise spontaneously at low frequency owing to the chemical instability of purine and pyrimidine bases and to errors during DNA replication. Spontaneous mutation rates in RNA virus whose genomes contain approximately 104 bases are roughly 1 per genome per replication for lytic viruses and roughly 0.1 per genome per replication for retroviruses and a retrotransposon. Mutation rates in higher eukaryotes are roughly 0.1 to 100 per genome per sexual generation. Spontaneous mutations on the molecular level can be caused by tautomerism, depurination, deamination and slipped strand mispairing due to replication errors. Spontaneous replication errors. Spontaneous DNA replication errors occur during mutation through wobble, in which non-complementary bases can pair because of the flexibility of the DNA helix. Mutations due to small insertions and deletions also may arise spontaneously in replication and crossing over. During normal crossing over, the homologous sequences of the two DNA molecules align and crossing over produces no net change in the number of nucleotides in either molecule. Misaligned pairing may cause unequal crossing over, which results in one DNA molecule with an insertion and the other with a deletion. A common cause of spontaneous point mutations is the deamination of cytosine to uracil in the DNA double helix. Subsequent replication leads to a mutant daughter cell in which a TA base pair replaces the wild type CG base pair. Another cause of spontaneous mutations is copying errors during DNA replication. Although replication generally is carried out with high fidelity, errors occasionally occur. This figure illustrates how one type of copying error can produce a mutation. In the example shown, the mutant DNA contains 9 additional base pairs. Spontaneous chemical changes. Mutations can also result from spontaneous chemical changes in DNA. One such change is called depurination, the loss of a purine base from a nucleotide. This happens when the covalent bond connecting the purine to the carbon atom of the deoxyribose sugar breaks, producing an apurinic site. Another spontaneous chemical change that can occur is deamination, the loss of an amino group or NH2 from a base. This may occur spontaneously, but can also be induced by mutagenic chemicals. In this particular figure, you can see the loss of an amino group from cytosine produces uracil, as well as the loss of an amino group from 5-methyl cytosine produces thymine. This figure describes the mechanism by which uracil containing nucleotides are formed in DNA and removed in E. coli. Uracil is cleaved from the deoxyribose sugar by DNA uracil glycosylase. The deoxyribose with the uracil detached is then excised from the DNA backbone by another enzyme called AP endonuclease, and the gap is repaired. Tautomerization. All the 4 common bases of DNA have unusual tautomeric forms. The normal bases of DNA are usually present in the keto form. Mutation by tautomeric shifts in the bases of DNA are explained in the figure. In the example diagrammed, a guanine undergoes a tautomeric shift to its rare enol form G star at the time of replication. In its enol form, it pairs with thymine, and in the next replication, the guanine shifts back to its more stable keto form. The thymine incorporated opposite the enol form of guanine is also shown in the figure, where it directs the incorporation of adenine in the subsequent replication. The net result is a GC to AT mutation. If a guanine undergoes a tautomeric shift from the common keto form to the rare enol form at the time of incorporation as nucleoside triphosphate rather than in the template strand diagrammed, it will be incorporated opposite thymine in the template strand and cause an AAT to GC mutation. Tautomerization usually occurs by the transformation of the amino or NH2 group of adenine and cytosine to imino or NH group, amino-imino tautomerization, or by the transformation of the keto group of guanine and thymine to the enol group, which is also known as keto-enol tautomerization. The keto tautomer is called a lactam ring, whereas the enol tautomer is a lactam ring. The lactam or keto tautomer is the predominant form at neutral pH. The 4 bases of DNA can exist in at least 2 tautomeric forms as shown in the figure. Adenine and cytosine, which are cyclic amidines, can exist in either amino or imino forms, and guanine, thymine and uracil, which are cyclic amides, can exist in either lactam or lactam forms. The tautomeric forms of each base exist in equilibrium, but the amino and lactam tautomers are more stable and therefore predominant under the conditions found inside most cells. The rings remain unsaturated and planar in each tautomer. Human diseases caused by spontaneous mutations. Sickle cell anemia in humans is caused by a single missense mutation at codon 6 of the beta globin gene. As a result of this mutation, the glutamic acid at position 6 in the normal protein is changed to a valine in the mutant protein as shown in the figure. This alteration has a profound effect on hemoglobin, the oxygen carrier protein of erythrocytes, which consists of 2 alpha globin and 2 beta globin subunits. In this figure, you can see that sickle cell anemia is caused by missense mutation, wherein the codon GAG mutates to GTG and leads to a change from glutamine to valine. Retinoblastoma in children results from a germline mutation in one RB allele and a second somatically occurring mutation in the other RB allele. When an RB or retinoblastoma heterozygous retinal cell undergoes somatic mutation, it is left with no normal allele. As a result, the cell proliferates in an uncontrolled manner, giving rise to a retinal tumor. A second form of this disease, called sporadic retinoblastoma, results from 2 independent mutations disrupting both the retinoblastoma alleles. Since only one somatic mutation is required for tumor development in children with hereditary retinoblastoma, it occurs at a much higher frequency than the sporadic form, which requires acquisition of 2 independently occurring somatic mutations.